Consolidated Statement Receipt, or ATS. As a fundraiser, you are required to send consolidated statements or annual tax statements or ATS, listing the donations made by the individual donor in a financial year. For tax purposes, and usually only those donations that are linked to a regular or recurring gift. Let's walk through how to generate those ATS. In ProntoPlus Settings, General Settings, enable features, toggle Consolidated Statement on, and click Save. Now you will be able to access the Consolidated Statement tab and select Settings. In Settings, you have an option to choose what format when downloading the consolidated statements, either in single combined PDF or individual PDF in zip. The single combined PDF is recommended when you need to print in bulk. You can also choose a specific display type for the donations, either Group by GAU, Group by Campaign, Consolidated by Tax Deductibility, or just a list per donation. Let's take a glance at what each format looks like. For Consolidated by Tax Deductibility, Grouped by Campaign, Group per GAU, and List per donation. Once these have been configured according to your preferences, you are good to go to generate a consolidated statement, either for an account or a contact. In this example, we will navigate to Contacts, choose a contact to open, and click the Generate Consolidated Statement button, located at the upper right of the screen, in drop-down menu. Take note, you have an option to generate consolidated statement for multiple contacts. Just check each checkbox beside the contact name and do the same process by clicking Generate Consolidated Statement button, located at the upper right of the screen in drop-down menu. You will be then redirected to another page. For fiscal year starting month, this is where you need to choose the starting month, where you want the statement to be generated for the whole 12 months. Since fiscal year in Australia is from July to June. By clicking this, the opportunities that have a close date within that range will be selected. Department field is an optional filter used when you have multiple brands or business units to distinguish your donations. For the template field, you can enter the name of an ATS template set up in your system. If none is selected, there is already a default set in ProntoPlus Settings which will be used. Then click the Generate Consolidated Statements button, and you will get a confirmation message. To check the generated annual tax statement, go to Consolidated Statement tab and find the name of the contact that you generated and select it. Click the related list. Under Notes and Attachments, select the file that you have generated. This is now your ATS file in PDF form. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to follow us in our social media accounts.